Hey everybody, you know what this is. This is B.F.A.M Cooking. We're here again at Thera Farms, right here at Thera Farms. Again, 2019 this is a video from. So, just so you know, they're growing, we're buying. I see blueberries, I see corn. I don't know where they're getting corn from a little early, but they got a couple stalks. They have zucchini, which is perfectly on time. They have some onions, which is fantastic looking. I hope you guys will see the video in just a second. We are doing some great stuff, and so are they. I hope you come down to see them here this summer. Excellent place to visit, and it's really close by, in the middle of Long Island. You can't miss this place. Brentwood, it's Brentwood Road. Get here. You cannot miss it. Look for the big opening sign that will show you in the intro.
So welcome to Thera Farms, 2019 season. Everything's growing wonderfully. I'm Farmer Teddy here at Thera Farms in Brentwood, 1705 Brentwood Road. My beautiful wife and 14 acres of wonderful veggies.
My husband and I and the baby on the way are thrilled to offer the community fresh, healthy, organic vegetables, eggs from our happy chickens, and a place where the family can come and be part of community. We are open every day from 9 to 4, on weekends from 9 to 5. Come on down.